Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Ganesh Chaturthi is a very special festival for many of us and it's never complete without making those special modaks. Today I'm going to share a very simple yet tasty modak recipe. We're going to make this with banana and wheat flour, that is atta. So let's get started and check it out. For these modaks I've taken one banana. It's a nice ripe banana. Just remove the skin, just roughly breaking it into pieces. So if you're using a small banana, you can take about 2 bananas. So first I'm going to mash the banana using a fork. This is easier. Next I'm adding half cup of powdered jaggery. Mix the jaggery and the banana nicely. So you get this powdered jaggery in supermarkets and in grocery shops these days. You can get that. Next I'm adding about half cup of freshly grated coconut. To this add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, a few bits of cashew nuts. So give this a quick mix. To this I'm adding 1 cup of wheat flour, that is atta. This is a 250 ml cup measurement. I've taken half cup of the thin variety poha and I've ground it to a nice fine powder. Next I'm adding the powdered poha. Mix everything together till it's all well combined and you will get a nice dough consistency. So now you can use your hand to mix everything together. The moisture from the banana is good enough and you can see it's come to a beautiful doughy consistency here. So this is what you want. Just adding about half teaspoon of ghee. Just rub it all over the dough. I have a modak mold here. I'm just going to grease it with some ghee. So you can see I've greased the insides of the mold nicely with some ghee. Make sure it's all well coated. Take a little bit of the modak mixture and place it into the modak molds. Close the mold and shape the modaks accordingly. Make all the modaks in this manner and keep it aside. To steam the modaks, I'm just greasing the steaming tray with a little bit of ghee. You can also use oil if you want. Place all the prepared modaks onto the steaming tray. I've just prepared the steamer. Now I'm just going to place the tray into the steamer. Close the lid and cook the modaks for about 10 minutes in the steamer. After 10 minutes, turn off the stove. Let's check on the modaks. Wow, the modaks are cooked perfectly. As you can see, these modaks are really simple and easy to make. You can make them in no time for your Ganesh Puja. These modak molds are available in different sizes in the markets. You can purchase them online as well. So as you can see, these modaks are very different from the usual ones that we make. It's very simple. So now it's time to taste. It's nice and soft and spongy. And I'm getting the taste of the bananas as well as the nuts and the coconut. It's very, very nice. I really enjoy that modak with all those nice flavors. Now I've made other modak recipes. We'll give you a couple of links in the description. Do check them out. So do try this modak recipe and celebrate with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.